brother DCP space T420W drivers. Okay, first link, right click to new tab. This is actually brother official site. Okay, I am recommend to use, so please try install driver from brother sites. Okay, so select your operating system, 7 servers, 8.1, 10 and 11, which is your operating system. You check and select this one, then guys click to OK. So this is guys, you can, if you want to change languages from, you can change from there, otherwise you can want also there. Okay, so this is full setup of the 228. If you want to only driver and scanner softwares, there are a lot of help if you want to update firmware like this 3 MB. Okay, so try to this one, full driver and software, slow down, I agree and download. So please wait, now this is actually downloading. So guys, this is installed, single click to run. This is actually extracting that location, C drive, user and IT. Then guys click to yes. Then guys, you can, if you want to change installation language, so you can change from there. Then guys click to next, I agree. Then guys again next, and you have two different options. If you know your printer IP, so you can enter and then next. Okay, search from there. Now actually you are searching your find out to your printer IP, otherwise you can enter manual. Okay, so this is, do you have USB cable? Yes, you don't have, you can select and firstly connect to printer. This cable connect your device and this cable connect to your printer, and then guys next. Okay, then this is all additional softwares, additional option and installation complete. Then guys you restart your computer, then please check it. Okay.